Okay, that was just the weirdest. Hey everyone, so we're gonna try out some scary ringtones. Supposedly they're supposed to be creepy. But yeah, let's go into the first one. Alright, so I'm going into the first one. Let's go to enter. Stop it. Okay. Wow. Alive, beach, breeze, closer, cool, cool too. Desert voices. Alright, well, let's see what this one is. Alright, so first of all, that's just stupid. Wow. Beach. Okay, that's just annoying. Breeze. Okay, hold up a minute. Hold on a minute there. Hold on a minute.
Don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird won't sing,
Why?
Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
No, don't buy me a diamond ring. Don't. Just stop it. Okay, so that was probably... Okay, that was good. That creeped me out a little bit. How about closer? Okay, hold on. That just sounds like a zombie. Okay, now that sounds like a crazy maniac. Didn't really creep me out that much as freaking breeze. What about cool? Okay, ear rape?
Congratulations, you are still alive. Most people are so ungrateful to be alive. But not you. Not anymore.
What? What? Okay, so the next one is desert.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
Just stop. Just stop. Alright, desert voices. Is it gonna be literally the exact same thing? Okay, so I may have to warn everyone that there is gonna be potentially some creepy ones that may disturb you in any way or form. So before I play this, if you don't like creepy girls singing or whatever, I'd suggest to leave the video right now. I will give you 5 seconds to leave this video right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm done. Never mind. Come back. Happiness. Okay, is that it? That's not creepy. That's just stupid. Let me. Okay, yeah. Thanks for letting me know that. I'm over here looking at my freaking window like someone's there. Live or alive? I'm just gonna say live. Funeral music, huh? Okay. Live the life. Okay, yeah, stop that. Smells like summer. Sounds like someone just belched after dinner. some ways. Oh my god.
Good day. I regret nobody is available.
I don't say blah blah blah. Some ways too. Judging by how the girls are singing that, I've basically heard this many times before, but I'm just gonna play it anyway, just in case someone or like someone didn't hear it before.
Lock your door. 5, 6, grab your crucifix. 7, 8, gonna stay up late.
Yeah, I think you get the point. Spring, autumn, sunset. This doesn't seem too bad. But yet you sound it just sounds like an old car trying to run, but yet it just won't work. Okay, let's do stump. Okay, let's do sunset. Okay. Oh boy. The rest are just sound 29. Okay. Summer moments. It's not like I heard that many times. Take it easy. Yeah, I've definitely heard that before. The land. Okay. Daddy. Stop it. Sound 21. This sounds like a dubstep music or something. Sound 22. Okay, first of all, that sounded like a dead zombie, but then I finally figured out that it was a cat screaming. Okay, I'm done with that. Sound 23, shall we? Okay, well, if you want to hear the rest of all these, it's called Scary Ringtones 2018. But for me personally, the one that creeped me out the most was Breeze. And pretty sure you know why. Anyway, on to a different one. Okay, so this one is kind of out of the perspective of scariness. This is Super Funny Ringtones App by Sheriff App. Okay. No, I don't. No. Oh my god. I'm not paying money for a free app. I am not paying money in a free app. Hold on, I gotta charge my freaking phone because it's at like 20%. I don't even know. There. Okay, that might have been loud. Crap. Oh. Okay, let's do funny. Okay, yeah, we'll do that. Apple Pen. Oh no. Can you stop? What? Oh, it's VIP only. Okay. Funny ending. Stop. I'm just gonna have to move this over here. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I hate my life. I hate my life. Horn Nokia. And you know, it's funny. I have a Nokia phone. Dang, okay. Okay, snoring, I'm pretty sure you, got the, yeah, cell phone rap.
You got some reggaeton in your cell phone.
I was actually kind of looking forward to that one, but now I kind of feel sad that I was looking forward to it. Funny ringtones. But the app is called Funny Ringtones. Ha 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 ha. I honestly, that... Dude. Okay, that one's a little bit funny. Yeah, that one... Okay, that one's pretty funny. Funny boy. Stop it! Oh my... Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Yeah, Alrighty. Alright, apparently that's the new intro to Scooby-Doo, guys. It's free on Spotify. Yeah, that's great. Baby Rock. I don't get that one.
Me, only me, sexy me.
Okay, stop that. No, it's that. Nope. Oh, sexy me didn't. Cute song.
I wanna be everything and then that, and I'm gonna give you every little thing I got.
So, please tell me, how am I supposed to laugh at that?
'Cause you are more than a man needs.
Okay, this free trial thing that keeps popping up on my screen is pretty annoying, and I kind of wish it would stop. Now I know why it's such a horrible rating.
That's why I say you're truly my destiny.
I'm just doing the next one. Looney Tunes, huh? Answer me. Oh boy, I think I know this one.
Why won't you answer me?
Yeah.
Hello? This is your cell phone. What do you think, you're just not gonna answer me? You keep me in your pocket like I'm some dirty little... Why would...
Alright, that... I'm glad I beeped that out. Bomb.
I'm in love, it's a beautiful day. I'm in love, it's a beautiful day. I don't care what the weatherman says.
I don't care about you either. Crying Baby remix. I just feel bad for that kid who was crying. I love Poland.
I love Poland.
Poland.
I love Poland.
Why?
I love Poland.
Yeah, ha ha ha. Funny ringtone. Hey, I'm getting some deja vu. funny ringtones. Well, let's see. Whoa, oops. Never mind, that was VIP. Little feeling.
I'm not doing fine. I'm desecrating lies. I'm on the phone without a lady shaking hands.
Okay. I don't get that one. Minion left. Stop it. Nokia remix. Is it gonna be like? Is it gonna be a did except like dubstep? Well, let's find out. That's nothing at all what I expected, but I like it. It's catchy. Papa Dura Dura. Dura Dura. Okay. So that's it. Pikachu remix. Yeah, I think you already know where that's going. Anyway, hot. Let's see what that is. Best no copyright sound. PUBG remix. Cheap Thrills. Send it. Okay, actually that was pretty cool. That was like really... Oh my god, Smoke weak. Weak.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg.
I'm scared to where this might go. Okay. Something just like, I don't know about that. Count on me.
You can count.
No. Count on me like 1, 4, 3. What's this? You know what? Actually, I'm done. My record. What is that? Oh. Okay. So, you can record your own thing. Oh, yeah. Done? What happened? What happened? What happened? I'm trying to I'm pushing it. I'm done. I'm done with this one. This is okay. Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Alright, well, I guess that can be the end of the video. If you guys enjoy it, hit the like button. Subscribe and please turn on notifications. And, yeah. Oh, and by the way, shout out to Jacob Young. I want him to be famous like me, sort of. I don't even know if I should be called famous or not, but, yeah. So, what did I just... Goodbye.